In this video, we will show you how to unlock the MG1 ECU on your Polaris Ranger 1000, RZR, or RZR PRO-R using the Maptuner Nano. Once the ECU is unlocked, you can easily install tuning software directly through your diagnostic port with the Maptuner. The unlocking process only needs to be performed once. Before you begin, make sure you have the following items: Maptuner Nano, Maptuner 01-MT022 and 01-MT074 cable. Also, make sure the battery is healthy and charged. Let's begin. Lift the seat to access the diagnostics port. It's often located next to the battery, but location may vary depending on model and year. Use the 01-MT022 cable to plug in the Maptuner to the diagnostics port. The Maptuner Nano will power up, which is indicated by the right LED lighting up green. If your Maptuner Nano is not already paired with your smartphone, check our Getting Started guide. Turn ignition on. Open the MyMaptuner app and select Add Vehicle. Follow the steps on the screen and wait for the process to complete. When prompted with "Do you want to sync?" press Yes. If prompted to select a server, select the server associated with your license. When the vehicle is successfully added, you will be asked to select the tuning files you want to use. This step will require a license code. If you haven't already purchased a license, contact your local dealer. Turn the ignition off. Unplug the Maptuner Nano. Now, open the truck bed to access the ECU. Remove the 4 screws and disconnect the ECU connectors. With the ECU removed and easily accessible, connect the Maptuner 01-MT074 cable and the Maptuner Nano. To power on the device, connect a power supply. The cable includes different power connection options for you to choose from. In this case, we will use the battery clamps. The Maptuner Nano should now power on. Open the MyMaptuner app again and select Unlock ECU from the home screen. The Maptuner Nano will now scan the ECU to determine its current status. If the ECU is in locked mode, press the button to begin the unlock process. Wait for the process to complete. If the ECU is already in unlocked mode, you can skip this step. The unlocking process is now complete. Remove the power supply, in this case the battery clamps. Unplug the Maptuner and the ECU. Reattach all connectors securely and reinstall the ECU in its original location. Now plug in the Maptuner to the 01-MT022 cable and the diagnostics port again. Turn the ignition on. In the MyMaptuner app, select Programming. Choose the file you want to install and follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the programming process to complete. The installation is now complete and your vehicle is ready to go. You can leave the Maptuner Nano connected if you want quick access to software changes or additional features at any time.